Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming fit and skin readiness. This prevents pressure points and damage. Once done, sit with your foot slightly elevated and roll the Juzo stocking inside out to the heel. This creates a neat pocket. Make sure your nails are short and remove rings. Sharp edges can snag. Lay the stocking on your thigh so the toe aligns with your toes. You're starting the placement now, not later, so keep the fabric smooth and controlled as you prepare to slide the foot in. You put your toes into the heel pocket and gently slide the stocking up over the heel. Once the heel sits correctly, use both hands to unroll the fabric upward, advancing in small, even pulls so tension stays distributed. Make sure the seams lie flat and there's no twist. A twisted stocking creates pressure points and reduces effectiveness. Check alignment markers at the heel and cuff, and smooth each inch as you go. This guarantees gradual. You finish by smoothing the stocking from ankle to thigh, inspecting for wrinkles and ensuring compression feels gradual and even. Once in place, stand and walk 5-10 steps to test comfort and slippage. If you feel pinching or a bulge, sit and redistribute fabric before continuing. If you notice a snag or run, do not force more wear. Remove the stocking slowly and assess damage. Minor runs can be managed with a repair kit, but replace if fit or compression is compromised.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.